Hey there, YouTube. Welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So, we're back in the Gambler, and essentially, I'm going to start a new series, sort of. And the topic's going to end up being fuel economy and maximizing it. Now, the Gambler is kind of interesting, because the Gambler I bought to kind of fix up, so there's a lot of stuff it needs. One of the big things is that right now, the check engine light is on when it's running. So, because the check engine light's on, it's not necessarily listening to the oxygen sensors and the airflow sensors in order to meter the fuel properly. It might be running off of base maps. The base maps are probably safe, but not the most fuel efficient. So, it's going to be really interesting to see, once I kind of diagnose what that issue is, and once I get it back to running properly and looking at the sensors, what kind of little things I can fix. So the engine air filter's super dirty. You guys might have seen the short that I did where I showed the air filter and then was asking whether or not I should go like cold air intake or not. So for now, what I did was I basically filled the car up and then reset the trip meter. And then I'm also kind of keeping track of the tire pressures and the temperatures outside while I was driving, because that can really make differences in your fuel economy as well. And I think, as of right now, I'm roughly getting about 20 miles per gallon. But that was the initial trip getting the car home. That was cleaning the car and like letting the car idle a prolonged period of time while I was, letting it stay charged and stuff. And the bad part is, because I let it idle with the seats out, that's why the airbag light's on. Seatbelt light's on because I'm not buckled up right now, but I'm not going anywhere. So, well, I'm about to go to work, but anywho, it'll be interesting to see how much this winds up changing. I'll be really interested to see, once it starts looking at the sensors, how much that dirty air filter compared to a brand new clean air filter makes a difference. And then also some of the other maintenance that it needs, like an oil change, which I don't really see that affecting fuel mileage all that much. And also the timing belt needs to be replaced. I don't really see, unless for some reason it's slightly out of time, it affecting that at all. But replacing all those things might be interesting to see, and we'll find out in future episodes. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll check you next time.